Alright, so we're getting some building materials delivered today. Guys have been dropping it off. That's for the one building in the middle for the first phase. A couple soft spots. We got to work out the concrete. I think Kyle, our excavator, is going to try to get some stone delivered and work that out. The concrete guys may or may not do it. Kyle will also be out here tomorrow he's got to make the pond a little bit bigger and start cutting in the road, which is going to go down way along the side of this cliff. And that's where the fire hydrant's going to come in. Deep cliff there, but also got the electrical plan we're going to submit to the city today. A lot of action.